Let's see how you can actually generate more leads and sales using the power of Instagram stories and automate it using a simple chatbot automation. So here I'm in a demo account, and first of all you need to connect your Instagram account right here. So if you're wondering how, click on channels option. It will take you directly to settings right here, channels, and you need to simply log in with your Instagram account and connect it over here. So here if you click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect your Instagram account, make sure all these permissions are allowed, and then simply choose your Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations on Instagram. So in this video, let's see how you can actually automate the Instagram stories and generate more leads and sales. So here let me share the Instagram account connected right here. So here in this demo account, we have connected demo chatting media Instagram account. So let me share my phone screen and show you. So here this is the demo chatting media account connected right here, and here we have actually posted a story, just a test story saying DM discount to get the special offer. So when actually your audience or the followers see this particular story, they can actually simply DM the keyword discount to get the special offer, and from there when they send the specific keyword, we can actually trigger the automation and send them series of messages. For example, here you can actually create any sort of flows to handle that one. So let me go to the flows section, and here we have a sample flow already created, discount IG stories automation. So let me see what we have right here. So when they send the keyword discount, we actually initiate the conversation from this particular flow. Jackpot of unlocked, you have a special 15% off discount, and we simply ask them to provide their email first. So before we share the discount coupon, we simply ask them to provide the email address, and once they share the email address, we set the email opt-in so that we can actually send any sort of email marketing campaigns as well. And here we simply offer them the specific discount coupon right there, and also option to buy now from the website as well. And then we actually send them an email as well from test@chatting media. So here if you want how to send the email, you can simply use the email sending block right here, send email. But for that you have to make sure you have the email connected in settings, channels as well. So channels, email, you can actually connect any sort of emails right here using SMTP. All right, so here we have the email connected, so we can use that one right here and send the email as well. And you can even send series of emails, and also you can even send follow-up messages as well. So here we send a follow-up message in 23 hours asking whether they actually use the discount coupon or not. So this is a very simple flow we have just created. So now we have to connect this particular flow with the Instagram stories automation. For that you have to go to the marketing tools over here. Here you have the option Instagram story automations, choose that one, and here click on add and simply say discount. All right, so here you have the option to choose the specific story right here and select the story right there as well. Otherwise, if you choose all stories, it will simply work for the all stories, but here you have the option to set the specific keyword as well. So you don't need to set up the automation again and again. You can keep the keyword right here unique and simply choose all stories as well, and here reply with. So here we have to, instead of sending a text message, we can simply choose the flow which is called as discount IG stories automation. So let me choose that flow right here. So here let me search for that one, discount IG stories automation. So this is the flow, discount IG stories automation. This is the exact flow right here to provide the discount coupon, and then a checkout page, and then an email as well. All right, so that was the flow right there. I have selected that flow, and the keyword is discount as well, and all stories, and click save. All right, it has been saved and it's active as well. So let's test how this actually works. So let me share my phone screen over here. So let me open the stories over here and add the keyword which is discount. All right, I sent the keyword as well. So it says message sent. So now this should actually trigger the automation and send us the messages right there. As you can see here, we receive the message. So it says jackpot of unlocked, you have got to claim the discount coupon, please enter your email address. So let me enter the email address saying chattingmedia@gmail.com and see how this actually works. So let me provide the email address. All right, I have just provided the email address. So now it should send me the discount coupon along with all these messages over here. So here we receive the discount coupon, jackpot 15, and also They can also buy directly from the website as well. So it also says we also send the coupon to your email as well. So if I tap on buy now, it will take them directly to the website where they can simply purchase any sort of items as well. All right, so here let's see if we have actually received the email. So here the email subject is your exclusive 15% off discount inside. So let me go to the email and see if we have received any sort of emails. So here let me share my phone screen and show you the email we have received as well. So here it says your exclusive 15% of discount. Here this is the exact email we set up right here. As you can see, this is the exact email we have set up, and in 23 hours the customers will receive this follow-up message through the Instagram as well. So here, that's a quick video on how you can easily automate the Instagram stories. And here if you go to the inbox, unified inbox, you can track conversation from all these support channels including the Instagram. So this is from the Instagram. You can see they actually replied to this story discount, and from there triggered the automation and collect all these details. So the customer's email is right here as well, and from here also you can actually send any sort of messages to your customers as well. And since we have already collected their email address, you can even send email marketing campaigns right here using the drip campaign option, series of emails. Otherwise you can also send email broadcast as well. So here broadcast, you can choose send, and here choose email and send any sort of email broadcast at any time you like as well. All right, and that's a quick video on how you can actually automate the Instagram stories. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.